Welcome to Organic Art Miniatures. Cooking scrambled tofu with some agar-agar and a Swedish totally amazing vegan product called Åkerböna Visp. It means that they have made a whipping cream from beans cultivated a long time in Sweden, and now they have found out that there is a possibility to make cream out of it. And I'm co-creating with Source. Source said to me, maybe people knew that even in the 1800s, to make cream out of beans. That's a possibility. Anyway, Sauce Dash has this recipe. It's wonderful. Thanks for watching.